Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the circle cutter so that you can cut out the printed artwork into perfect circles so that we can use it in our button maker to make buttons. You need to make sure that you start off by having the piece of glass underneath the artwork that's been printed out. So check and make sure that that is on the bottom. And then you're going to put the paper with all of the different artwork on top of that glass. And you want to make sure that I'm going to do this one so you can see it better. You want to make sure that you center this circle part, the base of the cutter, in the middle of the artwork. If you put it up too close to the top or too close to the side, you're not going to get a perfect circle cut out with the artwork right in the middle of it. So you want to make sure you take your time and sort of eyeball it. Make sure that all the way around that plastic circle, it's an even amount. Once you have that done, you want to hold the top of the circle cutter with one hand, and then you want to hold the outside of the circle cutter with another hand. There's a little arrow showing you which direction to pull the circle cutter. You're going to push down kind of hard, but really you don't have to apply that much pressure. You also want to make sure that this circle base does not move. So when I need to change hands, I'm going to make sure and change hands slowly so that the base of the circle cutter doesn't move, and I continue cutting all the way around. Once you've gone past the point where you started, you can lift up the circle cutter, and then you should be able to pop out the artwork. If it's stuck in a couple of places, that's okay. You can just kind of pull it like that. And then I have a perfect circle cut out. I'm going to show you with another one that's a little bit bigger so you can get an idea of how to do it when the circle is a little bit bigger. So it's the same idea. You're going to start by making sure that you have this plastic circle centered. So I'm going to pull this into the middle of the artwork until I see an even amount all the way around. I'm going to hold the top of the cutter with one hand, I'm going to hold the outside with the other hand, and I'm going to pull it in the same direction as the arrow. Then I'm going to switch hands, make sure that that middle part doesn't move. Go all the way around. I'm going to make sure I go past the point where I started. And again, I should be able to just pop that circle right out. If it's stuck in a couple of places, that's okay. You can just kind of give it a little tug and it should come loose. And then you have a perfect circle ready for the button maker. If you need help or if you have any questions, come and get me and I will be more than happy to help you out.